In 2001, we visited Portugal, and I saw just a wonderful exhibition of traditional Turkish Iznik pottery from the 16th and 17th century, and decided, gee, that's something I've never tried. I think I'll give it a whirl. So when we got home, I took a couple of classes and learned how to throw on the wheel, and then I was off and running. I always tell people to just relax, be really natural. They don't have to smile. They don't have to feel like they're even getting photographed, because I'll tell you, these are not glamour shots. They're unusual. Since every piece I make is so deconstructed and reconstructed by cutting through the wall and putting it back together and moving it, the structural integrity of all my pieces have really been undermined. So when they dry, when they move, I want them to only move in on themselves. So the way I figured out how to do that was by wrapping them in ace bandages. I don't see any cracks. It worked. This piece in particular is really interesting because when you look at it from across the room, she looks very pensive and almost sad. But then as you walk up to it, she looks happy and she's smiling. People come down onto the deck and they look around, and then all of a sudden they'll say, oh my gosh, they're faces, because they're not meant to be really all that obvious unless you really look at them.